Mom, please come to our shop. We have all varieties of vegetables.
Do you have onions?
Yes, mom.
What's its price?
It's 20 per kilo, mom.
Are they fresh? Let me see.
Here you are.
I have picked up fresh ones by a kilo.
What else do you want, mom?
I want cucumber. What's its price?
It's 40 per kilo, mom.
Oh my god, the prices are too heavy.
How much do you want?
I want half a kilo.
Do you want curry leaves?
Yes, that's important.
Mom, tomatoes are fresh. We have just brought them from the garden.
Okay, by the way, what's its price?
It's only 10 rupees, mom, per kilo.
Thank god, the prices are little. Tomorrow I will purchase some more things. Today these are enough.
Okay, mom.
What's its price?
It's 50 rupees, mom.
Here you are.
Here is your change, mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe.